Howdy guys, Fast Forward 289 back again. Today we're going to be greasing the doors, hinges, and latches on the 68 Mustang. It's pretty much the same steps that was in my other video about my 76 Ford truck, but I figured what the hell, make another video about the Mustang. So again, we're going to do the pivot points, and I use white lithium grease because that's the best to use for these kind of things. Shake it up good. I already shook mine good, but shake it up. Spray your pivot points. And down here, you got these little rollers. Of course, greasing them. I try to get them from both sides. If you look, you see underneath, you can get underneath it a little bit. It's hard to show you. And back here's a little spring. I like to grease it because it's got friction there. But then up in here you got your pins. Up in there. Alright. Alright. Now for the latch. You just want to grease every part that moves or has friction. Yeah, that's about it. I also like to get in here. It's hard to see, but you'll be able to see that there's some pins and latches and moving parts. I like to go up in here and spray them a little bit, make the handle work easier. It's easy to get to on this car, so I figured while I'm here, why not? And now work it a little bit. Now, bam, good to go. We step over to this side. It's the same process for this side, but there's something I want to show y'all. Listen to the door. I didn't do that time. Well, usually when you close it, right there. So we're going to grease it, and that's going to go away. Same as before. Pivot points. Alright, and the latch. After I'm done filming, I'll come back and clean up any excess. Alright, let's see, that took care of that. Oh yeah, that's already much better. Yeah, nice and quiet. There we go. Oh, that was a little too hard. That sounds beautiful. Hope y'all enjoyed. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.